This is pretty much the old screen of the VPN application here. I'm pretty much show you guys how to use it. So it's very easy to use. Down here, pretty much go ahead and select the server that you want to connect to. And I would recommend you connecting to the United States, but you can choose any server you like to connect to. So once you have selected the server that you want to connect to, then you go ahead and we'll pretty much swap short ads. Wait until the ads is finished. Once the ad is finished, you can tap on the X at the top. It's pretty much you'll see an X at the very top or the forward icon here. Just tap on the X or that, and once tap on the connection button here, will ask for connection request. Just tap on OK, and it will start connecting in a minute time. So very easy to use, and these servers are not that bad unlike the other VPNs that I've reviewed. Decent servers. So servers are not bad, and as well you do get the option to get the premium option or the subscription to remove the ads on the applications. If you want to remove the ads from the VPN application, you may need to get your subscription. So as you can see here, this is pretty much your prices for your subscription. You have a monthly, weekly, 3-month subscription, a year subscription, and a lifetime subscription. So that's only thing with this application here. Decent speed, connects very fast, and there's not a lot of ads. Only ads you'll be encountering is the ads when you're going to connect the VPN. So that's really much it. Overall, very simple and decent VPN, which you can give it a try. Let me know in the comment section. See you guys in the next one.